Welcome to my channel, where today we step into a world that only the ultra-elite can imagine. Forget everything you know about luxury on wheels, because what I'm about to show you is not just a motorhome. It's a $10 million Bugatti Chiron masterpiece that redefines what travel can be. This isn't just a machine, it's a moving palace, blending hypercar DNA with ultimate comfort. If you thought Bugatti was only about speed and supercars, get ready to have your mind blown. Because this 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome is unlike anything else you've ever seen. Let's begin with the motorhome itself. At first glance, you'll notice the aerodynamic silhouette inspired directly by the iconic Bugatti Chiron. Its sharp curves, aggressive stance, and sleek LED light signatures scream performance while exuding elegance. The two-tone paintwork, carbon fiber detailing, and massive alloy wheels immediately signal exclusivity. Step closer, and the automated gull-wing entry doors open with a touch, welcoming you into a futuristic interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Every detail is handcrafted, from the stitched Italian leather seats to the polished crystal accents. This isn't just transportation, it's Bugatti's vision of mobile luxury living in 2026. Now let's move into the kitchen, the heart of this rolling palace. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome kitchen is a chef's dream, designed with both functionality and sophistication in mind. You'll find countertops finished in Italian marble that glisten under smart LED lighting, creating a dramatic yet inviting workspace. High-tech induction cooktops are seamlessly integrated, allowing for fast and efficient cooking without compromising style. The cabinetry is made from lightweight carbon fiber with soft close mechanisms, and the drawers glide as smoothly as the motorhome itself. Hidden compartments reveal a state-of-the-art refrigerator, a dual climate-controlled wine cellar, and even a concealed espresso station for that perfect Bugatti-branded coffee. Every appliance is smart-enabled, voice-controlled, and synced to the onboard AI system, ensuring effortless operation. Whether it's preparing a quick snack or a 5-course gourmet meal, this kitchen makes every cooking experience feel like dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, only this time on wheels. Next, the bedroom. Step into a sanctuary of relaxation and elegance where Bugatti has poured its artistry into every detail. The centerpiece is a floating king-sized bed, crafted with memory foam technology and wrapped in silk sheets that adjust temperature automatically for maximum comfort. Above, a panoramic skylight stretches across the ceiling, offering views of the stars with just one touch of a button to open or shade it. Ambient lighting allows you to set the perfect mood, whether it's calming tones for rest or vibrant hues for romance. The walls are finished in a mix of suede and soundproof glass, ensuring total silence from the outside world. Integrated smart controls give you effortless command over climate, music, and lighting, making this bedroom an escape unlike any other motorhome has ever offered. Moving into the bathroom, prepare to be amazed. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a Bugatti spa on wheels. The space features heated marble floors that keep your feet warm no matter the climate. The shower is a rainfall design infused with aromatherapy, offering you a refreshing, rejuvenating experience after a long journey. A smart mirror displays news, weather, or your schedule as you prepare for the day. The sink is carved from a single block of stone, paired with gold-plated faucets that gleam with Bugatti precision. Even the toilet has been reimagined with high-tech hygiene functions, all controlled by the onboard AI. It's not a bathroom, it's a wellness suite. Now let's repeat this journey again. Back to the kitchen where every meal feels like an event. Once more, imagine those marble counters, the concealed wine cellar, and the espresso machine that instantly creates your favorite brew. A perfect space for entertaining guests on the road, or simply indulging in fine dining no matter where you're parked. Back to the bedroom, Bugatti's second home away from home. That king-sized bed remains the highlight, with the panoramic skylight giving you a luxury hotel experience under the night sky. The comfort, silence, and attention to detail make this more than just a bedroom, it's pure escapism. Back to the bathroom, once again, the Bugatti spa welcomes you. Heated marble, rainfall showers, and golden finishes remind you that this is not ordinary travel. This is elegance at every corner, ensuring even the smallest daily rituals are transformed into luxury experiences. Finally, let's close with the motorhome as a whole. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It fuses the speed and engineering excellence of the Bugatti brand with the highest levels of luxury living. It's an icon on wheels designed for those who demand the extraordinary in every aspect of life. This is where performance meets prestige and where travel becomes unforgettable. So what do you think? Would you travel the world inside a $10 million Bugatti Chiron motorhome? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury reviews. And until next time, stay inspired, stay luxurious, and keep dreaming big.